Hey there, so here's Locket, and if you tap in top left, you now see Locket Rewind. So what is that? If you tap on it, you can actually create a nice vertical video, which consists of all lockets you created during the year. And it's very nice looking, you just see them quickly switching one to another. You can also select which lockets you want to include and which lockets you don't want to include. However, it's not working for me. Maybe it's also not working for you. So if you can't just find it, make sure to update your app to the latest version. If you see this button, but when you tap it and you see not enough photos, it means, yeah, that you didn't take many photos during this time. In order to make a recap video, you need to have taken at least 4 photos. So yeah, you need to take more than 4 photos during the year. So it's a minimum amount. And if you already take them after Locket Rewind button appeared, it doesn't count. So it won't be included already in this rewind. So you need to have taken it before like Christmas this year or something like that. So yeah, that's what it is. That's Locket Rewind feature, which you can have there. So that's what it is. So yeah, enjoy if you were able to have more than 4 photos and update your